Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah will attend the All India Conference of Director Generals, Inspector Generals of Police 2024, which will be held in capital city Bhubaneswar. The information was shared by BJP State Vice President Golak Mahapatra. The 3-day conference will commence from November 29th and a formal announcement in this regard will be made by the Odisha government soon. As per sources, discussions will be held on policing and security related to the country. Apart from this, cybercrime, technology in policing, counter-terrorism challenges, left-wing extremism, prison reforms will also be discussed. Earlier, Odisha DGP Yogesh Bahadur Khurania informed that the DG and IG conference will be held on November 29th, 30th and December 1st for the first time in Bhubaneswar. DGPs of all the state and union territories and generals of all the security forces will attend the conference.
DG and IG conference is happening in Odisha at Bhubaneswar on 29th, 30th November and 1st December for the first time. It's a 3-day affair and it's a big affair. Director General of Police of all the state, all the union territories, besides Director General of all the security forces, they attend the conference. And discussion on important topics related to national security and internal security is held. It's a very intense discussion over a period of 3 days. State is providing all the logistic assistance, be it accommodation, conveyance and other arrangements that are required are being made. State police and commissionerate police is fully geared for making the required security arrangements. And we are quite sure that we shall be able to take care of all the delegates who are coming to attend this conference. And it is a matter of honor for the state and state police in particular for hosting this conference.
Bureau Report, OTV News.